No, we're not shipping any Hundo Club prizes today. Nothing. You can win Hundo Club next week, but not today. All right, cool. So we're getting on all the emails and stuff.
I think we'll be fine. Like I said, it didn't in bad shape.
Okay.
Mine isn't. I'll handle Leo.
Okay.
Stacking up.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
So
Cool. Okay.
I think he's pretty well caught up.
Okay.
Maybe 15 or 20 RMAs left. So.
Yeah, just do those next week.
Cool.
Good to go. Perfect. All right, thanks, man. So we just finished talking about basically all of our marketing initiatives for 2018, among other things. A ton of stuff going on, but we got a lot of exciting things in the pipeline, and a lot of work to do, that's for sure. But got a good team. Yeah, we're going to buy a Tundra, right, exactly. If it was Andrew's choice, we definitely would buy a Tundra, a purple one. I'm not so sure about that. But yeah, that'll be pretty cool. So we're going to plan on buying probably up to 4 new cars for the company next year, and we're going to do builds on all of them. Obviously, we'll test a bunch of headlight parts. We'll put a lot of our products on them and show them, display them, DIY type stuff, product demos. But we're also going to build the cars. We're going to use our lift down there and do some wheels, tires, lifts, all kinds of fun shit like that. Maybe some airbags. I don't know. I don't even know what kind of cars we're going to buy, but you know, we're going to connect with our customers and figure out what they want to see. So that should be pretty sweet. Pretty excited for that. But you know, otherwise, done with this meeting for the day. Finished my coffee, third coffee. Finished my cheesy popcorn. Somebody sent us a nice little popcorn gift, and I'm just polishing it off. Chandler says it's kind of stale, but it's okay, man. It's pretty good. It's popcorn. It's kind of like foam in the beginning. It's foam to begin with, you know? So, finish that.
It ain't cool.
Lunch of champions. Go see what's happening down in the warehouse. Yeah, I know. Pissing a lot of people off today because we can't ship anything. The warehouse is on lockdown. Nothing can get checked in. Nothing can get checked out. We've got local customers here. This is the last day of the year. We're still open for business, but people come in. Unfortunately, we can't give them any products, so they're going to have to come back or ship it to them next week. There you can see there's nothing going on this side of the warehouse. Where most of the magic happens. You know, usually we're shipping. Yesterday we shipped 800 orders out the back door. Today there's nobody shipping anything. We ran one batch in the morning, and that was it. So we're basically closed in the shipping department for the rest of the day, and the whole staff is focusing their efforts in the back of the warehouse here, and everything and anything is being counted to the T so that we have a dead nuts inventory value for the end of the year. Not really that fun stuff in the grand scheme of things, but a necessity. You can see this tape here basically means that everything on the shelf has been counted. Don't fucking touch it. Don't recount it. Don't move it. Lockdown. Isn't that what that means? That's what that means, right? If it's got the tape,
completely done.
yeah, don't touch it. Don't touch it. What if I touch it? Don't. Oh, I won't touch it. I know. I'll be in trouble. I'm not touching stuff.
Recount everything.
I'm not touching it.
The question is, can the Hundo Club get prizes from there if it's been counted yet?
No, we're not shipping any Hundo Club prizes today. Nothing. You can win Hundo Club next week, but not today. Even I can't get the shit off the shelf right now. Counting, that's not really the best practice there. Don't count your stuff like this, but you know,
this is how we count.
Tevin's gonna make it happen. I think he's got some kind of strategy here.
Yeah,
This is the worst aisle over here. Let me show you the worst aisle for counting. This is our small parts aisle of doom. Everything from like H7 lock rings for mini H1 projectors, you know, solenoid wires. What is this? I don't even know. It's like bulb seals for H11 bulbs, like ferrite ring. God, I would not want to count these. We have like several thousand of them, and they're so small. So yeah, horrible place to count stuff. I'm sorry for the. I'm just gonna leave you alone. Counting.
Oh, you need me to
I'm just distracting all these people now. I'm gonna leave them alone. I'm just fucking all this stuff up. We'll get that lens etching stuff out next week. Thank you for your patience. So yesterday, I personally spent several hours down here ripping apart fucking Corolla headlights myself because we had to get them all out of the headlights and onto the shelf so that we can count them. I literally have blisters on my hands from this now. I understand you make fun of me for that because I kind of got soft over the years with my nice lotioned boss hands, but it is what it is. Sometimes I got to jump back in it and take apart headlights. Take one for the team. There's all my beautiful Corolla projectors. We shipped out a lot of them yesterday to get out some back orders and stuff.
You want to cut this? We'll do it on camera.
Oh fuck! You need me to mod this?
No, I mean, I'm going to go do it, but if you wanted to do it so that you could talk to the camera and do it at the same time.
Just cut the cutoff shield?
Yeah, I just need to trim the corner. I can do it.
I can mod it. Oh, let's get a little mod. We're just vlogging. We're just vlogging. Nate wants me to cut this projectors for the Super 7 MLEDs. You got to cut these little sections off here so they fit in the Super 7 buckets. You gotta do what you gotta do. We gotta get the order out. Is this for Daniel Stern? Told me yesterday that I was getting old and too slow, so I'll let him check it out.
Also true.
What's the last step?
Putting it in the bag?
No, we gotta clean it off.
Well, I mean, yeah. That's given. But I mean, it's not dirty.
Well, we don't want to ship it with some crap on it.
You need to change the oil.
So that's about it, guys. That's all that's happening around here. It's the last day of the year. Appreciate all your support in 2017. It's been a crazy year for us. It's been our biggest year on record. Got a lot done, but we got a lot going on for 2018. A lot of new products, a lot of great programs, and a lot of cool shit overall. So definitely look forward to seeing all your sexy faces in the new year. And happy holidays to everybody. Have a happy new year. Don't get too crazy out there. Don't... just leave it at that.